Okay, guys, there's this content creator. Her name is Francisca Nwaokolo. She posted a screenshot of a video, one of her videos that went viral. She had over 20 million views on that video, but she didn't earn 50 kobo. I mean, she didn't earn 1 cent on that video. And a lot of people are just saying different kind of things. Maybe why she didn't earn was because that video was not up to 20, you know, seconds, or it's not up to 15 seconds and all that. But I have a different view on this. You can quote me wrong, but this is my own opinion. I think the reason why she did not earn anything on that video it was because she posted a reel as video. Now that is why if you come to Facebook, they have different segments for these things. If you want to post a reel, post it as reel. If you want to post a video that is longer than 90 seconds, post it as video. But when you go and post a video that is shorter than 90 seconds as a video, definitely that video is a wrong misplacement. You won't earn anything from it. She posted a video she was supposed to post as reel, and she posted it as video. How do you expect to earn? You're supposed to earn when you post a video. You are supposed to earn from in-stream ads, but not ads on reel. But because that video was very short, so it did not qualify to be a video. So she didn't qualify to earn from in-stream ads. But if she has posted that video as reels, then she would have earned that 20 million views. Would have counted, to her. She would have been earning, I don't know how much they will be paying anyway, but she would have earned money, good money from it. Do you understand? So when you want to post your video, if your video is less than 90 seconds, that means 1 minute 30 seconds, those videos should be posted as reel. Once you go to your page or your profile, you'll be seeing that icon, that button where it says this is for real, this is for video, this is for photo. And then when you want to post a video that is longer than 90 seconds, that means 1 minute 30 seconds, anything from 91 seconds, then that video should be posted as normal video, not as real. If you still go and post that video as real, it will be shortened anyway. But anything longer than 90 seconds should be posted as reels. Why anything that is less than 90 seconds should be posted, anything longer than 90 seconds, should be posted as video. Why anything that is less than 90 seconds should be posted as real. If not, once you do any mismatch or misplaced posting, you will not earn from that video. The only thing that video can do for you is to get you followers, get you views. Your views will increase, your followers will increase, but you will not earn from it. Okay, I think that is the mistake she made. Because when she came up with, I saw her video today where she was saying that the reason why she didn't earn was because the video was not long. It was not up to 15 seconds or 20 seconds. That we should start posting videos that are up to 15 seconds, 20 seconds. And I don't agree with that notion, because I've seen a lot of top content creators that post videos that are less than 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 12 seconds, 15 seconds, and they earn from it. They earn from it as long as it is well posted. They earn from it. So, and even Facebook at times will encourage you that you should post videos that are less than 30 seconds, less than 15 seconds. Why? Because they know that such videos go far. They will be able to help you to push those videos to get to new audience, to increase your followers, increase your viewers, and also to earn. But if you go and post a reel as a video, my friend, no matter the millions of views you get there, even if it's 200 millions, you will not earn from it. This is my take though. You can add your own in the comment section, what you feel.